A very big statement coming in from Congress leader Sanjay Nirupam. There he's calling BMC the hub of corruption. He's calling Sena leaders corrupt, and he said that Sena leaders have in fact amassed huge amounts of properties and wealth due to corruption over the last decade. A very big statement coming in from Congress leader Sanjay Nirupam, and clearly these ED raids are proving to be are causing a massive rift in the Maha Vikas Aghadi government. Yesha, we were talking about the political repercussions of the ED raids, but right now we can see that the Congress is openly attacking Shiv Sena, alleging that some Sena leaders are in fact corrupt and have amassed huge amounts of wealth due to corruption over the last 10 years. We also have BJP MLA Atul Bhatkalkar joining us on the phone line right now. Sir, I would like to ask you about your first reaction about the ED raids that are being conducted on Shiv Sena MLA, and also the political repercussions that are being that these raids are having over the Maha Vikas Aghadi government. There seems to be some sort of a rift between the allies.
See, basically, Maha Vikas Aghadi government has no moral right to say that this is a political vendetta. The way they behaved with Republic Media and all BJP workers is nothing but it was a political vendetta which was endorsed by even Supreme Court of India. So, whatever raids today took place on Pratap Sarnaik's places, law will take its own course, and whatever Sanjay Nirupam has stated, that over the years, Sena people, corporator, MLAs amass wealth by illegal ways. That is open secret. And so, if the Shiv Sena people had not done anything wrong, then they should not need to fear for anybody. They can go to court. They can take stay order from the court if their slate is very clear. But it is an open secret in Maharashtra that how Shiv Sena, Congress and NCP people amass wealth in last 10, 15, 20 years, especially from corporation dealings. And so now they have to face the law of the country.
Yes. Yes, thank you very much, Mr. Atul Bhatkalkar, for joining us with your first reaction on this big breaking news development taking place right now. Let us tell our viewers that there are raids being conducted in connection with Shiv Sena MLA Pratap Sarnaik. He's under the ED scanner in connection with a money laundering probe in connection with Topps Security Group. And we also had a statement coming in from Sanjay Nirupam, Congress leader Sanjay Nirupam, who attacked Shiv Sena openly, calling Sena leaders corrupt, accusing them of amassing wealth due to corruption over the last decade. Yesha, coming across to you, this is going to have a wider ramification on the politics in Maharashtra, isn't it, Yesha?
That's true. Over the last few weeks, what we've seen is there have been various issues in which the Maha Vikas Aghadi government does not see eye to eye. Be it the electricity bills issue, and now, for that matter, when MLA Pratap Sarnaik's houses have been raided. Even in the electricity bill issue, what we saw was Congress and NCP did not look eye to eye with Shiv Sena, because on one hand, one party had promised that the electricity bills will be waived off. On the other hand, the other party backed off. Similarly, when this Maha Vikas Aghadi came together, there were various instances where the three parties did not see eye to eye.
Yes.
Now, when Congress leader is questioning the other Shiv
and the
Sena
allegations of corruption that Congress leader is leveling against Sena leaders is clearly seems to be a thorn in the alliance already. Thank you very much, Yesha, for joining us with this breaking news development.